First one little mistake is there, but it looks like uh, I mean different star, not this is a perfect, I guess. This one, I think I put one six beads in one. That's why it looks different. And then I just added this chain. As we keep doing, we learn through our mistakes. It's okay. It's not a. It doesn't look that bad, but it's there is an error in this one. This is perfect, I guess. Anyway, I need to do some more of these. So let me just see how they come as I keep doing. I love this one. I love this shape. Now I understood how to give it a little different shape by just putting extra in one of them. So this is how I made it. This is just my ideas. There's nothing like this in anywhere. There will not be another one.